Why have a lot of items been getting suddenly like so many big overpays? No new limiteds being released, you know? If you look at the classic Fedora, you're going to see around May, like June of 2022, which some of you may know as the time when Roblox was releasing new limiteds. You know, it went from 290,000 down to 190,000 Robux. Since we were getting a lot of new limiteds and a lot of new stuff to invest in, there was a lot more room for the Robux to be spread. People were no longer only offering for the classic Fedora or the Silver King of the Night or the Clockworks headphones. People were offering for like the purple, blue, green Queen of the Night. People were offering for the Silver Emperor of the Night, for the Poison Horns of the Toxic Wasteland. You know, people were offering for such a huge variety of items. Now we have nothing else to overpay for. We only have these very same items, or at least that's what people thought until a while ago. Which now brings me to the last point of this video: undervalued items. Think of the Silver King of the Night, the classic Fedora, once again the Clockworks headphones. All of these items you are probably familiar with already. If you take a look at any of their charts from 2023 up to this point, they've all had absolutely amazing runs, and at no point throughout these 2 years they actually deflated overall. But then if you take a look at items like the Clockwork Ultimates or the Work Clock Ultimates, you're going to see that throughout 2023 it had a little bit of a high, but then it just deflated back to 390,000 for a pair of decently good looking headphones. But if you take a look at the chart right now, you're going to see that it has absolutely skyrocketed lately. 480,000 in the beginning of 2025 for up to 1.05 million. Very similar demand items close to their range have skyrocketed within the past 2 years. It does make a lot of sense for these items to be going up as well.